Don't raise above here, lor. Then cannot see.
Take out
Just-
this. Let's have a look. Oh, it's still alive, hon.
Huh? Why not? Take it
There,
out.
it's moving.
Take it out first.
There, the eye is moving.
Aiyo, cutie. Take the cutie out.
Yeah, try to have a look at how big this thing is. This 1.6 kilo bad boy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. It's longer than my palm. Okay, let me just get this out. Very much alive. Look at that.
Lower a bit, huh?
Oh.
Cannot see.
Ooh, ooh. Look at that. Ooh, it's trying to move. Trying to move. Actually, trying to move. There. You can see?
Yep.
Right. So, it's even bigger than your hand.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, actually it's the same size as my hand.
Yeah.
As a girl's hand.
Yeah. So I should just brush it first.
Yeah, just brush it. I'm gonna give you a shower, okay?
Should I
See his eyes?
should I straight put it down? Like
No,
below
give
it?
him a shower first.
Can I have to brush?
The brush is at home.
Okay. Strong. This thing is strong. It's bigger than the sink, so it's a bit tough. Ooh, strong, man.
I think they cleaned before already.
Yeah. Okay. Now, I think I should put it down first. Just kill it first. Okay, so is it
Is it there? I thought it's
front a bit? No, here also can. Wow, not high enough for Bernie.
okay, so
Oh, wait.
which direction we wanna go?
Okay, I need to chop it down here. Okay.
Slowly come on.
Okay. Right now it's just muscle memory only.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not alive anymore. Shouldn't be because that's the brain. Now it's just muscle memory only. Okay. So let me kill this one. Let me use a chopstick thing. Sharp. Let me clean it a bit.
You need to release the urine.
So down here. Put it in. Put it back out. You just hold it up. Nah. Move that one. Okay. Okay, so now we'll cut it into half. Okay. Chop it down already, I just on here. Lobster.
Maybe his fin is still moving.
Yeah, but I cut his head into half already though. It's just very, very fresh now. Very slippery.
What audio?
Very good. You wanna try sashimi lobster?
No.
I didn't cut it half like nicely, but okay lah. Okay. Then I should 拔掉 the claw, right? This is too big.
I steam the claw first.
Oh yeah, maybe. Fuck. I just cut this rubber band. Do you want a rubber band?
No. Cut.
See the claw still moving. I'm gonna get. Don't put your finger in the claw. Okay. So fresh, man. Wow, lot go man. See? See, it's still alive. I mean, it's not alive lah, but it's just muscle memory. Yeah.
You not say the meat that time he saw the
Meat move ah.
the meat move he feel very dirty, very sorry.
Oh, when? The lobster ah?
No, the beef.
Oh. Beef?
Beef.
Beef? When she saw the beef move?
And the beef thing that time.
Wow, so fresh ah, the meat. Okay. Wow, I really feel like eating sashimi a bit.
Try.
Yeah, maybe I'll try a bit. You want to try a bit?
No.
No taste, but very fresh han. Wow, I think put soy sauce damn nice this one sashimi. Wow, sure. Ini kali. Still moving some more. Look at the claw, look at the claw. Okay, let me stop the video first.
How to stop?
The record button. Left. So haven't closed like completely. Wow, you see the. This is the smaller claw. This is the bigger claw. Look at that. So now we're just getting up some of the gravy.
Put it.
Okay, coming through.
Careful on your hand. Oh, tak boleh masuk.
Ow, panas. Ow,
Boleh.
can. Yep, and there, she was pouring in the look at that. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, 没有 check water every time steaming.
Okay.
No, not sure though.
Oh wow.
But the cool like this the brain
How
I don't want to eat brain anymore.
Okay. Okay, so here's the end result. Look at that. Once again, larger than my hands. And this is the sauce, the umami sauce from the lobster.